Welcome back to Schools Challenge 2020. It's the 14th match in round 1 and the scores are Dinthill Technical on 21, Enid Bennett High on 20. Let's get into the buzzer challenge. Teams must press the buzzer and wait to be identified before giving their answer. 2 points will be added for correct answers, but teams will lose 2 points if the answer is incorrect. Teams, it's time to gear up with your quick fingers, quick thinking and some fast answers, which could put you one step closer to winning the championship. Let's have 4 minutes on the clock, please. And the first question comes from Bible knowledge. On which day of creation did God make a... Enid Bennett?
All right. Go. Foot.
Foot.
No, make a firmament in the midst of the waters to divide them, and that would be the second. Biology. To which specific part of the body does the adjective guttural refer? Enid Bennett.
Throat. Throat.
Correct. English language. Spell subterranean. Dinthill.
S-U-B-T-E-R-A-E-N.
That is incorrect. S-U-B-T-E-R-R-A-N-E-A-N. International affairs. Look at the screen. Identify this person. Dinthill.
Justin Trudeau.
Correct. Chemistry. What is the molecular formula for benzoic acid? Dinthill.
C6H5COOH.
No, C7H6O2. Music. Listen to this clip and identify the singer. Selena Gomez. General knowledge. The world's longest bridge, the Danyang Kunshan Grand Bridge, is located in which country? China. Spanish. Translate this command to English. Abre los ojos. Dinthill.
Open your eyes.
Open your eyes.
That is correct. Geography. What is the name of the strait in the Caribbean Sea between the islands of Cuba and Hispaniola? Enid Bennett.
Windward Passage.
Correct. Theatre and cinema. Look at the screen. Identify this person. Joaquin Phoenix. Information technology. Who was the child of a famous poet and English mathematician whom many historians consider the first programmer? Ada Lovelace. History. The War of 1812 was fought. Enid Bennett.
1812 to 1815. 1812 to 1815.
Was fought between two major world powers and their allies. Name the two major world powers, and that would be Great Britain and the United States of America. Mathematics. Solve the inequality 2x is less than 6. Dinthill.
X is less than 3.
Correct. Physics. What is the radiocarbon dating technique used to estimate the age of? Dinthill.
Carbon dating.
No. Fossils. And sports. Look at the monitor. Identify this person. Enid Bennett.
N'Golo Kante.
Correct. Jamaican heritage. Who wrote the Jamaican comedy Me and Me Chapsy?
Next question.
Aston Cook. And French. Which country is l'États-Unis? United States. Literature. Which Pulitzer-winning novel published in 1960 is set in Macomb, Alabama? Enid Bennett. In the 1930s, and the answer is To Kill a Mockingbird. Which Jamaican artist painted Masquerade? Enid Bennett.
Masquerade. Alvin Marriott.
Alvin Marriott.
Incorrect. Osmond Watson. Bible knowledge. Who was the father of... That's the final bell. The end of the final challenge. End of our match. Dinthill Technical on 21. Enid Bennett High on 18. We'll double check those scores and return with final results right after these messages.